Yeah, of course, I love shopping as much as the next person, and I do a lot of that online now. For convenience sake mainly. I've got 2 small children, and running around a busy shopping centre at peak time is not my idea of fun.
Where have we come to in a modern age in terms of online retail? The images are currently static and boring. Cappasity is going to revolutionise this.
I searched a bit about the company, and I realized that you help to make the virtual world more real.
Mankind has always been looking for alternative ways to show, tell and perceive. By using the 3D technology and of course the blockchain system, Cappasity is making this a reality to all of us sooner than we think.
What Cappasity is, it's the first content-oriented cloud-based platform for businesses to be able to embed 3D content onto their websites and apps.
Can you imagine browsing Amazon, eBay, whatever website of your choice, and being able to see furniture, clothes, watches, or whatever you want in 3D HD, being able to play and turn and zoom in and look in close detail at any item on your device and really get a feel of the object before you buy it.
I personally enjoy shopping from home, and I believe most people do as well. Being able to shop from the comfort of your home, interact with the products, see them up close, take your time, and not have the pressure of let's say a sales associate working with you.
It also has a support of VR, which is more easy to use by your mobile phone. It reacts to all your moves and making product vision better.
Cappasity has the capacity to make it possible for anyone, because its product is cheap, fast, useful, and very profitable.
I am very happy to be a part of this visionary community.
Fairly small community, but very fast growing, where we grew about 20% in the subreddit in 3 days.
Cappasity community is perhaps the most active, the most engaged and enjoyable to deal with that I have seen so far.
The CEO has been very active with the community, and all the admins are very helpful and very human, not just a copy-paste bot.
Loving the social media buzz online, and they've been really responsive, and so as far as I can see, they've got every front covered.
I mean, Cappasity is working with some huge names, Nvidia, Intel, and even small businesses or individuals to create beautiful 3D images.
I never thought that the future was so close.
Are you at all excited for what the future will bring? Come join us.
Don't wait, get involved. Cappasity is there. Thanks, Cappasity team. Keep up with the good work. Ciao.